is Sumikara, although for 71. Punta kayo sa Cavite, Manila because I imagine it for you. Sinenas, good offer, and so much many toys. For that toys, I give you for coming here. The Malina Saturday, August 25. My birthday is August 10. Come my birthday August 10 because pag nag-7 ako, makikita niyo ang mami ko. Kaya pumunta kayo pag birthday ko. Diba, 5 pa lang ako. Susunod na birthday, malakal uli. Susunod na birthday, uuwi ang mami ko, makikita niyo siya. Kaya February and Thursday, come here. Next week, guys. See you too. I love you.